Hi guys, welcome to RK IT Help Desk. In this session, we are going to learn about how to schedule backup and restore in Kaspersky. So let's start. Open Kaspersky. Kaspersky is open. So go to backup and restore. Select files for backup. Means which files you want to backup. There are four options by default. These are the templates. All files from my documents and desktop. All pictures and photos, all movies and videos, all music files. So I don't want to go with this template. I want to take one folder backup. So just click on create backup copies of files from specific folders. Just click on next. Here you can add folders which you want to take a backup. So I will add my folder. I have a folder in E drive and I want to take backup of RK keep here. Okay, I have selected RK keep here. Go to RK keep is selected. Just click on next. Now we have to select where we want to take a backup. We selected folder, but we have to take a backup somewhere else. Don't take backup in C drive. It is not safe. You can take backup in E drive, and better to take backup in network storage or external hard drive, pen drive, like that. Right now I don't have any external storage, so I don't have network storage and external hard drive. I will take a backup in E drive. Click on next. This on-demand backup means manual backup. You can run a backup whenever you want. There's a daily schedule backup every weekday, every weekend, weekly, monthly. I want to take backup daily, so I will select daily backup. In specified time, if system is turned off, then next system startup, it will take automatic backup if you select it. So I want to keep it and I want to specify my time. And one more thing, whenever you create a backup, I am creating this backup now. You have selected it at 12 p.m. but first time it will take backup right away, means because of the we are creating now, so it will start immediate backup now, and tomorrow onwards it will take backup at 12 p.m. Just click on next. We can name it backup. I will make it daily backup. Daily keep your backup. Keep your backup. Okay. Click on next. Just preparing storage backup. Storage successfully prepared. Done. Preparing it. It will take some time. I will pause my video. Okay, duration done and first time backup also done. So let's check. See, backup folder is it 21 elements. 1 minute ago backup is done. Okay. Uh, let's restore the backup ones. Let's rename this file and restore it. Score good one. If you open this folder, these are the files available in this folder. Okay, so we'll restore it. Click on restore files. Backup time. Just click on restore selected files. It is asking where you want to restore the files. You want to restore it in original folder, or you want to restore it in another specified folders. You can select specified folder and browse location to restore it. I want to restore it in original folder, so click on restore. Restore completed successfully. Okay, if you open the folder location, just open folder location. See, we have renamed that RKK pair at old one. Again, that folder is created here with restoring the backup. See, all the files are available here. Hope you understand the video. If you like the video, please do comment, share and subscribe RKIT Helpdesk. Thank you for watching.